There it is, brother. Now I put the motor in. But look, it's not big. Look. It's not big at all. I think it's going to fit in that cabinet perfectly. So fully adjustable. This flips around for a slack belt, and then it's got two different contact wheels here. Pull that out. This, boom, there's your small contact wheel. There's your big one. And then there's your slack belt. Just kick that cam. And then it's there. Tensioner. I gotta tighten that in there all the way, but it's stout. And it's 1-inch bar here for that. So all the tooling. So it doesn't take the 1.5 or 2-inch bar or whatever you have on yours. So that'll be a little adjustment. On the VFD. So there's VFD. It does have reverse too. I don't know if it's wired for it, but so sick. And then the motor's in the big white box. And there's the combat belts in there. Pretty pumped about that. And then they didn't have the small little kit yet, but I got the platen for it. So that slips in. I believe it slips in here, but I'm not sure yet. And then here's that brooch, handle brooch, and then here, focus, you turd. That's the hammer drift. It's big. I'm not going to open it because I'm sure it's all oily, but it's substantial. So, I'm excited. Focus.